There have been a great deal of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, yet up to this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. Stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates changing that in an unobtrusive way. Stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework, which explicitly is very huge. The first, for the most part Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the exact moment one, Bright Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, in a real sense is an administration token. The last option is the digital currency we will be checking out in this cost figure. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT in every practical sense, token cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation exhortation. Kindly in every case most certainly do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital money amazingly. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, fundamentally is the administration badge of a wellness application called Stepn. Its most certainly primary objective is to empower a solid way of life and advance eco-cordiality. The application permits clients to procure compensations for moving around outside when they sort of prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of composing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. Stepn offers an entire large number of highlights that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices. The application contains a truly whole biological system of digital currency-related items that will permit rookies to draw in with Stepn without downloading any extra applications, or so they explicitly thought. There is an unconstructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's just the beginning. Furthermore, what separates Stepn is its emphasis on intelligence and in-application gamification in a significant way. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes, which is very huge. There are additionally numerous truly friendly intelligence choices. The GMT token is mostly utilized for administration purposes inside the Stepn application. It can likewise be synced to get to certain elements like shoe updates. At long last, it really is additionally used to decide on choices concerning the dissemination of marking rewards. GMT Authentic Value Examination, which is very critical. As GMT is as yet a moderately new digital money, it's hard to in a real sense foresee the future value patterns of this essentially token. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT may especially act from now on. In light of past execution, we can explicitly expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long haul as additional clients generally start involving this stage in an unpretentious manner. The GMT token has previously had a couple high points and low points since its IDO in WALC 2022, and its market cap is as of now found solidly inside the best 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has commonly crested at $4.11 incredibly. Stepn Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Stepn costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Stepn will be $1.85. The most extreme level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn Value Expectation September 2022. Which in every way that really matters, is very critical. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying really most extreme and least GMT costs are normal in 2026, $1.85 and $1.68. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.74 in a significant manner. Stepn Value Forecast October 2022. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Stepn. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $1.81, in spite of prevalent thinking. It could drop to at least $1.75, however it actually could explicitly reach $1.93 all through 2027. Stepn Value Expectation November 2022. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally get ready figures at the cost of Stepn. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its for the most part normal expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. Stepn value expectation of December 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Stepn's cost basically. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1.85, which generally is very critical. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92. Stepn value forecast 2023, which is genuinely critical. After the examination of the costs of Stepn in earlier years, it generally is expected that in 2023, the really least cost of Stepn will be around $2.71, which essentially is very huge. The greatest expected GMT cost may generally be around $3.28. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. Stepn value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Stepn, in 2024, GMT basically is supposed to have the accompanying least and really most extreme costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately in a real sense. The especially normal expected exchanging cost in every way that really matters, is $4.21. Stepn value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Stepn and their vacillations during the earlier years. It certainly is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can reach $7.16, or so they thought. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. Stepn value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least GMT costs are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75. By and large, it will explicitly be exchanged at $9.07. Stepn value expectation 2027, which is very huge. Crypto specialists essentially are continually examining the changes of Stepn. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $12.92. It could drop to a fundamentally least of $12.47.